Hey guys, I'm Tyler Wisler, and if any of you know me, you know that I love coffee. But what's better than coffee? Spiked coffee. Ha! So, what I'm starting with is really good, strong black coffee. To that, I'm going to add 1.5 ounces of a really good coffee liqueur, because that makes everything better. Some whipped cream. And then top it off with a little bit of cocoa powder. I mean, let's dig into this. Ooh, that has got a kick. Ooh, it is good. And I hope you are designing your best life. All right, so while we wait for the other coffee, a little bit of whipped cream break. Ah!